Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to open a new tab on incognito mode or incognito mode. Open the start menu and select or type Google Chrome and hit enter and go to this menu in the top and select new incognito window, or combine your case Ctrl Shift plus N. In this window, you've gone incognito. Now you can browse privately and other people won't use this device, won't see your activity. However, downloads, bookmarks and reading items will be saved. This no register your history mode or your history data, cookies, site data, information entered in forms, websites to you visit, or employer or school, your internet server provider. And you can try select Ctrl Shift N or plus N for open the new tab window. Ctrl Shift N. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.